So this is one of the little things on the Discovery which hasn't really bothered me too much because I use it off-road and stuff like that, so it's going to get scratched and things like that. But as you can see, it's all taped up. It wasn't quite as bad as this when I got it, but I had a bit of an accident with a fence post and probably broke it all. So the actual cover's fine, it's just the black plastic part underneath which is all broken. So and the black surround bit around here. So I haven't looked on eBay originally. When I first got the car, they were like 150 200 pounds for a second-hand mirror, which I thought, well, I ain't gonna bother, but or I wasn't too fussed about it. But I popped on Facebook on a forum that I am. There was somebody advertising a Discovery in the same colour, so I inquired about how much the passenger side rear mirror was, and it was £70 plus postage. So bit of a bargain compared to the differences on eBay. So we'll have a look. I mean, there is a little mark on the end there, so I could change the cover over, but I'm not really that fussed. So looking inside, we've just got this plastic trim here, which I'm not sure whether it attaches inside of the door card or not. So I've had the driver's side off because I changed the switch pack on the driver's side. I've had that door card off before and I can't remember, so I'll have a look and see if we can remove this first, and if it goes behind the door card then we'll have to take the good door card off, but I'll whip this off and then we'll have a look. So I think we might get lucky here. As you can see, we've just got the one fixing at the top here, but at the bottom, can't really focus on it, but there is a little tang here which goes into the door card, and there's also a little piece here, but I've managed to, with a screwdriver, is just push a little tang back and get it out. So I think we got lucky there. So I pulled that right off, and you can see the little tang here, which is what I pushed back with a screwdriver. But I've got the wiring, and that is obviously fixed down there, and I can't get to where the plug is. You can see on that one there how long that plug is. So this obviously goes down into the door card somewhere, so unfortunately we're still going to have to pull that off. So looking at the door card from memory from doing the other side, we've got a screw behind this little plate here, one behind this little plate here, then got one down here, one down here. I don't think there was any underneath, no. And then I believe we just have to pull those off and undo the screws there. So we'll have a look at getting that off now. So there we go, the door card is now loose. I don't need to take it right off because there is the cable behind here, which I know the clips snap for quite easily because I've done it on the driver's side. So just to confirm, you do have the one fix in there, the one fix in there, we've got two that side, the two underneath, and it just takes a bit of brute force to pull it off all the clips that are around. So now you can see that we can get to the wiring loom. Simple case of unplugging that, and now we just need to undo these Torx bits, and the mirror should come off. So, mirror is on, but before we fix all the door panel stuff back on, we'll just turn the ignition on and just make sure it moves left, right, up, down. Perfect. So we can now get that we can get the door panel back on, and job's all done. So it's a fairly easy job to do on the Discovery, and I'm sure you'll agree that it looks a bit better than the old one, all taped up and the tape keeps coming off and that sort of thing. So for the sake of £70 plus a bit of postage, I think that was a job well done, and especially as I managed to get it in the same colour as what the car is. I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called. I'll have a look and I'll leave a little note at the bottom there, but as far as I'm aware, it's quite a rare colour, so that was a right bonus. So hopefully this video has helped somebody in the ease of changing their mirror, or even if they need to remove their door card. So so yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos that will probably be coming on the Discovery, and also on my Defender that I am now starting to do a sort of a light restoration on, because there's a few little bits in the bulkhead. So if you're interested in that, please like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming shortly.